Hello everyone, I just want to show everybody my new tool kit that I got today. This is my old kit. It's Craftsman. Got a lot of loose parts. I'm going to keep this. Got a nice set of Allen wrenches and stuff here, but figured it's about time for a new tool kit since I had this one since I was a teenager. That one's the old one. Now here's my new tool kit that I bought today. It's a Stanley 109 piece. See if I can get it out of the box here. Okay, now I did take it apart earlier, and I took all the screws off to get this plastic piece off. It was just about 30 screws that went into all these little holes here. This is quite a nice set. It's not Craftsman, Snap-on, or Husky or anything like that, but it is made by Stanley, and looks like it's going to work pretty well for me. It's briefcase type. It can fold up. Everything is all metallic blue. It's got all the deep sockets. It's got the metric, standard, all your little adapters and extensions. It's got all your star pieces and hookups and all that. All this for your screwdrivers. All different sizes. All different kinds of stuff to use. I think it was well worth the money. It's less than $60 for the whole thing. And the only piece I added to it, because I didn't seem to see one here, was just an adapter so I can fit the smaller sockets on here like this. So I did add this piece, and if I look close enough I'll probably find it in here somewhere. But very nice setup. Nice wrenches, beautiful color to it. And it closes right up. It's got a place for a lock, and you can just carry it like that. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'd appreciate the comments, rating, subscribing, whatever. And there you have it.